Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn how to code and read words with a VCV pattern. We're going to code them differently today. But before we do that, I want us to read our vowel sounds. Say the cards. So let's trace them and say it with me. First sound, A, apple, A. Second sound, A, baby, A, at the end of an open syllable word. First sound, take two fingers, trace it with me. E, egg, eh. Second sound, E, me, E. When at the end of an open syllable word. First sound, I, igloo, I. Second sound, I, hi, I. At the end of an open syllable word. First sound, O, octopus, ah. Second sound, O, no, O. When at the end of an open syllable word. Last vowel sound we'll practice today. U, umbrella, Second sound, U, music, and flu, you. When at the end of an open syllable word. Very good. So boys and girls, on Wednesday I taught you about VCV. I taught you that when you see a VCV pattern word, most of the times you split it after the vowel and it makes our vowel open. But sometimes, boys and girls, that doesn't sound right. So you have to split and chop the word after the consonant, which will make our vowel say its sound. So today, that's what we're going to practice. We're going to practice splitting the word after the consonant so the vowel can say its sound. Let's go ahead and read this. When a word has one consonant between two vowels, sometimes the word is divided after the consonant. Just like this, vowel, consonant, chop it, vowel. The first syllable is now closed. So if it's closed, the vowel will say its sound. Okay? So what we're learning here is that most of the times we chop the word after the vowel, but sometimes it doesn't sound right. So we have to chop the vowel after the consonant, just like this. If we chop the word right after the consonant, we notice that our vowel is closed in. And when our vowel is closed in, it makes its sound. And we do a happy face or a breath like this. I'm going to show you how to code and read, and then you're going to help me with the following too. Step 1, I don't know my word. What do I need to do? I need to find my vowel. Boys and girls, I is my vowel. I see another I. Step 2, when there are two vowels in the word, we look inside the vowel and I make my bridge. When I look inside, I notice that there's one consonant. So I write 1C. So remember, boys and girls, most of the times we do chop the word after the vowel, but today we're going to chop it after the consonant because sometimes the word doesn't sound right if we chop it after the vowel. So right now I'm going to chop it after the consonant, and now my vowel is closed in. I have a closed syllable. When my vowel is closed in, I make a happy face like this. And then I look at here and I see my vowel is closed in again. So I make another happy face. And now I tap and I read my word. I read fin-ish. Finish. Okay, boys and girls, let's do the next one together. I don't know this word. What do I need to do? I need to find my vowel. Perfect, boys and girls. Our vowel is A and E. When there are two vowels in a word, we have to look inside of the vowel. And what do I notice? I notice a consonant. I write C. Now, boys and girls, we need to chop it. We need to chop the word right after the consonant. Just like this. Is my A open or closed? My A is closed because there's an consonant right next to it. Very good. So when my A vowel is closed, I make a happy mark called a breath, just like this. My E is closed. I go just like this. And then I tap out this word. I go plan, planet. Excellent. I don't know this word, boys and girls. What do we need to do when we don't know a word? We need to find the vowel. Where's our vowel here? Excellent. O and I are vowels. When we have two vowels in a word, boys and girls, what do we need to do? We need to make a bridge and look inside the vowels. And what do we see inside the vowels? We see one consonant. Now we have found our pattern. Our pattern is V, C, V. So right now, I'm going to chop my word. Step 3, chop our word after the consonant. Our O is closed in from the M. So I make a happy face like this. And now I tap out and I read my word. I go ka, ka, come. My I is closed in. And it says it again. And now I read it. Comic. So what have we learned this week in OG? We learned the VCV pattern. Boys and girls, when there is a VCV pattern, that means there's one consonant in the middle of two vowels. When we see one consonant in the middle of two vowels, we can chop the word in two ways. Most of the times, we chop it after the vowel, and our vowel will say its name. But sometimes that doesn't sound right. So we have to try it a second way. So we chop our word after the consonant. And then our vowel will make it sound. Okay? That's our VCV rule. Remember, let's go over it again. When we have a VCV rule, first we can try splitting it after the vowel. But if it doesn't sound right, we chop it after the consonant and then we read the word. Today, I have created a new sheet for you to code. All these words have VCV patterns. I want you to take your word, find your vowels, look inside, make a bridge, and then chop it right after the consonant. Our E is closed in, so it says eh. Our O is closed in, so it says eh. So then we read the word lemon. Lemon. Excellent, boys and girls. Bye. Hope you have a great day.